welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. In the previous lecture we have studied about spiral where the end of the other spiral is at the center. Here we have taken a sum where the end of the spiral is not at the center, it is at another circle. So you have to draw a spiral for 1.5 convolutions with the greatest radius as 80 mm and the smaller radius as 20. So first we will mark a point and draw a circle with radius as 80 millimeters. So we have drawn a circle with radius as 80 millimeter. So in this sum, as you can see in the image, it has a bigger circle and it has a smaller circle. So this is a rod or a line OA, and from a point A, the spiral will start and it will end at a smaller circle B for 1.5 convolutions. So step number 1, we have drawn the circle with the bigger radius. Now we will divide the circle into 12 equal parts. For that we have drawn the perpendicular lines, and through these perpendicular lines, taking radius on the compass, we will divide the circle into 12 equal parts. You know the process to divide the circle into 12 equal parts? If not, refer to my lecture video on basic geometric constructions. Now we have to draw another circle of smaller radius. As you can see in the image, on the right side we have a smaller circle where the spiral ends. So with radius as 20 millimeter, we have drawn the smaller circle. As we have divided the bigger circle into 12 equal parts, the smaller circle, as it has the same center, the both are getting divided into 12 equal parts. Now the spiral for 1.5 convolutions, this is 1 convolution, and for half, this is 1 and plus half will be again till here. So till here it will be 1.5 convolutions. This is 1 convolution and this will be half convolution. So in exam it can be given anything. Here we have given 1.5 convolutions. So we have to consider 1 plus half. So we'll start from A. Now as it is divided into 12 equal parts, 1 convolution will be 12 divisions. 1 convolution will be 12 divisions or 12 parts. And for 1.5, it will be 18, as we have to consider more half parts. So if you count from A, the divisions, this is 12, and for half it will be 12 divided by 2. So total will be 18 parts, that is 12 plus 12 divided by 2. So 1.5 convolutions will be 18 parts. Now as we have 18 parts for 1.5 convolutions, we will divide the line AB into 18 equal parts. Now why take the line AB? As the starting point of the spring is from A and the end point of the spring is till B. So we are dividing the line AB into 18 equal parts. If the convolution was for 1, then we would have divided the line into 12 equal parts, marking them as 1 to 18. Now next step, take the compass, extend till 1 and extend the curve till A1. Reduce the radius from the second point, extend the curve till A2. From the third point, extend the curve till A3. From the fourth point, extend the curve till A4. Reduce the radius from the fifth point, extend the curve till A5. Reduce the curve, extend the curve till A6. From the next point, 7th, extend till A7. Reduce, extend the curve till A8. Do like this for the next point also. This is for 1.5 convolutions. So according to that you have to do. If it is 2 convolutions, then you have to divide the line into 24 equal parts. Line AB into 24 parts. Now this is 1.5, so we have divided into 18. Now next, now till this point, this is the 12th point, and we have drawn the curve till A12. It will be the same point. Now this is for 1 convolution. Now we have reached till 1 convolution. This is P12 point, the 12th point. Now we have to move forward again for half convolution. So more 6 times we have to do. Now next point, this will be P13. Reduce the radius, extend till the next E2 point. This will be P14. Reduce the radius, extend the curve till the next line. This will be P15, as it is for 1.5 convolution. So till P12 it was 1 convolution. Now this half is the 1.5, the half convolution. So the last point will get, this is P18. So joining all these points P1 to P18, as it is 1.5 convolution. Mark them as 1 to P1 to P18. And finally, you have to join all this using French curve, all the points starting from A. As you know, the spring starts from A, the curve of spring, and it ends at B. Try to coincide 3 or more than 3 points. Now till this line we have reached till 1 convolution. Now extending further to the half convolution. Now till here we have reached 1.5 convolution. This is the shape of a spring which we have seen, we have drawn. Thank you for listening. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture.